I will do anything for you, Daddy. You're the one's taking me home, right?
Sure.
You're taking me home.
Mm-hmm.
I want you. What, if you're afraid of my brother, Dad?
November 17th, 2024 started out like any other night for Sarasota PD, routine patrol, nothing out of the ordinary. But that changed fast, real fast. A Jeep Wrangler was spotted weaving through traffic like the rules of the road simply didn't exist, cutting lanes, ignoring signals, throwing the whole rulebook out the window. Then things got even stranger. The driver came to a dead stop at a green light, just sitting there. And before officers could even process what they were seeing, bam! The Jeep slammed straight into a roadside barrier. That was the moment officers moved in. But what they found when they approached that vehicle, nobody saw it coming, not even them.
Just across the street?
I have to pee really bad.
Okay, alright. Well, you're gonna have to hang out. Unfortunately, there's no places to pee right now. Where is across the street?
Golf Gate, Tipsy Turvy.
Golf Gate?
Tipsy Turvy.
Tipsy Turvy. Is that a bar? Excuse me, down at Golf Gate?
Oh!
Sorry, I'm drinking a fizzy drink.
What were you drinking? Sir?
Celsius.
Fizzy drink?
Yeah.
And it's a Celsius.
Yeah.
You swear?
Pinky.
You swear.
Pinky. Here, why don't we get out of the road?
You were drinking a fizzy drink.
Come on.
Hey.
Yes.
She was clearly drunk, erratic driving, uncoordinated behavior, no question about it. DUI cases are messy, drawn out, and drivers almost always deny everything. But this officer wasn't playing that game. In a split second, he took a different approach, one nobody saw coming.
Oh.
You all right?
Yes, I just want to counter you.
Counter me? I think you're trying to counter you.
Hey, you were drinking a fizzy drink. You were drinking a fizzy drink.
Yeah.
Are you going to try me?
A fizzy drink as in a Celsius, because I need energy.
Energy?
Yeah.
Me too, bro.
Okay.
I just got off work.
Do you work at Hooters?
Yes, I do.
Okay. But then you went to Hooters and then
I went to Hooters and then I went to...
Do you work at the Hooters down in?
I do.
Okay.
Caught me, red flag.
You what?
Red flag, caught me.
Instead of coming in hot, the officer played it smart rapport building. He kept it cool, friendly, even admitted to similar behavior himself. It worked. Her guard came straight down. The moment she opened up, he shifted gears. Small talk over, real investigation on. Just like that, the whole dynamic flipped. And where it was headed next, nobody could have predicted it.
Okay. Well, what's your first name?
Sophia.
Sophia. My name is Nick.
Nick, I have to pee.
And I'm going to be honest.
Nick, I have to pee.
It seems like you are under the influence of something.
Oh my God.
Now, unfortunately, in situations like this, we are going to investigate a DUI. Would you be willing to participate in the couple?
No.
You don't want to participate?
No. I'm literally drinking and I'm not going to drive. I'm not going to drive.
But you were already driving.
I am. I was not. No, it wasn't. No, I was not.
I mean, we stopped you in the middle of the road.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No, you did not.
Look at the cars.
No, you did not.
Where do you think you are right now?
I am in Golf Gate.
No.
You didn't.
You're miles from Golf Gate.
You did not stop me.
The sobriety test was almost a formality. Slurred speech, unsteady on her feet, glazed eyes that couldn't focus. She was telling on herself without saying a word. But this officer wasn't cutting corners. He wasn't handing her a single loophole to crawl through later in court. Refusing wasn't an option. He wasn't taking no for an answer. Locked in, by the book, start to finish. Because one sloppy step, that's all it takes for a case like this to collapse.
I am investigating a DUI. Sorry. And I would like if you would participate in a couple standard field sobriety exercises to determine if you're able to drive home.
I am not going to drive home.
Okay. Well, in that case, we could at least pull your car over, but if you would be willing to participate in those exercises...
Do you want me to call AAA? Like, I have to pee.
I know. But right now, you're not going to be able to pee. Would you be willing to participate in those exercises?
No.
And why is that?
Because...
Well, if you don't participate in those exercises, I have to make my determination on a driving...
Those guys, reckless driving, you're not going to arrest them.
Well, I'm dealing with you right now, unfortunately.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Me? Instead of those guys, reckless driving, you're going to deal with me.
So hold on. If you do not participate in some of those exercises, then I have to make my determination on a DUI charge based off of what I've seen so far.
Something was off, and not just the alcohol. Simple instructions, simple questions, nothing was registering. But while Sophia seemed checked out, the officer was locked in. His instincts were firing. This wasn't a typical DUI stop anymore. Something deeper was going on, something he'd never seen before.
You were asking me... babe, you were asking me to take a test.
Okay.
We're gonna make out here.
Okay.
Make out here.
No, we're not. Here,
Turn off the lights.
Stop right there.
Turn off the lights. We're gonna make out.
Wait, stay right there.
Oh,
okay.
My bad. It's my bad.
All right.
I gotta pee, bro.
I know. I
gotta
have to pee as well.
Bro. I gotta pee.
Okay, do you want to try this first exercise for me?
I will do anything for you, Daddy. God damn.
All right.
You in that suit? I'll do anything for you. Sorry.
That's all right.
Knee-jerk reaction.
All right. So this first exercise...
In this suit, brother! I'm sorry.
That's okay. This first exercise is going to test your eyes. Okay? But before...
Dude, why are you drunk texting me? You know I'm drunk.
We have...
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I want to give you
You know I'm drunk. Why are you doing this to me?
I do know that. Because we still have to.
Why are you doing this to me?
Try.
So you're gonna drunk and then fuck me up, right?
Please. No. Here, you stay right there.
Oh.
All right. Give me 2 seconds. Here, wait. You stay right there.
Are you gonna tase me?
No. Just hold on.
Are you gonna tase me? You're gonna tase me?
Right there, Sophia.
You're gonna tase me?
Then things got weird. Sophia wasn't just struggling to stand straight anymore. She started throwing herself at the officer, full-on flirting, right there on the side of the road in the middle of a DUI stop. Every time he tried to steer things back, she pulled it sideways again. The officer's discomfort was written all over his face, but as bold as she was being in that moment, this was nothing. Sophia was just warming up.
I can't keep my hands off him. Sorry.
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to.
I can't, bro. I can't.
Here, I'll give you this to hold on in the meantime.
Give me a citation?
No.
Bro?
That's not a citation. It's something that
God damn, bro.
So you don't have to touch
Is this your phone number?
Nope, it's blank.
Hey, put his phone number on this. Please. Please, bro.
I think he's got
You're the one's taking me home, right?
Sure.
You're taking me home.
Mm-hmm.
I want you.
Okay.
I want you.
Okay.
You're taking me home, right?
Yep.
You are taking me home.
Sure.
Hey, you're the one's taking me home.
Sure. Okay.
I got a laugh out of him.
I've been laughing the whole time.
I got a laugh out of him.
Credit where it's due, this officer never broke. Most people would have lost it by this point. Not him. He stayed locked in, stayed professional, kept pushing for that sobriety test. But every time he got close, Sophia flipped the script. Loud, dramatic, over the top, turning a straightforward DUI stop into a full-blown spectacle. The more he pushed, the more she performed.
Deal.
It's all my fault.
Okay. Can you put your feet together?
Oh, put my feet together.
And your hands on your side?
Whatever you say, Daddy.
Okay. Now before
I'll put my hand on my hip.
No, I was grabbing my flashlight.
Oh, whatever you want, Daddy.
Okay. Before we start.
Hey, fair shot.
Are you wearing contacts right now?
Are you wearing contacts right now?
No, I'm wearing glasses.
No, I am wearing
hold on.
contacts.
Here.
Wait, you see this? I am wearing contacts.
Sophia,
Did you see this?
can you put your shirt on?
I am wearing contacts.
Can you put your shirt on?
I am wearing contacts. I swear to God, I'm wearing contacts.
Hold on, I want you to think for like 2 seconds.
I am wearing contacts.
Sophia.
You might have glasses, but I am wearing contacts.
Hey, Sophia.
I swear to God, I'm wearing contacts.
Like 2 seconds.
Why are you such a nerd, bro?
In all seriousness.
Bro, don't be such a nerd, bro.
Sophia. In all seriousness, everything that we do
Don't be such a nerd,
is
bro.
on body cam, and that body cam is public record.
Nerd.
It's for anybody.
I am a nerd.
I get
I am a nerd.
But
I am a nerd. Show it to the body cam. I am a nerd.
anything we do is.
I am a nerd, bro.
Hold on. Anything we do is recorded, and anybody can see that. Mom, dad, grandma, family.
You think I give a
I just wanted to let you know.
The officers knew they were walking a thin line. One wrong move, one bad look on camera, one allegation. Careers over. They'd seen it happen, so right then and there, decision made. No more back and forth, no more letting Sophia run the show. They were done playing games.
My arms around me. Like this.
Okay. Hold on.
So cold. It's so cold.
With the handcuffs?
Yeah.
I know.
Come on. It's so cold. Bro, it's so cold. Oh my God, it's so cold. Fuck.
Hold on, stop moving around so much.
It's so cold.
I know this is not good news, Sophia, but you are going to jail tonight for DUI, okay?
Every word was deliberate, calculated to make Sophia feel the weight of what she was facing. Consequences weren't coming anymore. They were here, but she didn't flinch, didn't back down. She doubled down. One final, jaw-dropping move directed straight at the officer. The kind that makes you ask, what was she thinking? She probably wasn't, and that decision changed everything.
Yes. Will you just
Hold on, stay right there.
cut me off for a second? What? You're afraid I'm gonna grab your dick?
No.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
Connor G?
Yeah, that's him.
Can I call Connor?
Accept.
Hey, Connor.
Hey, put it on speaker.
Hold on. You're going to yell too much. Connor, this is Officer Bernier with the Sarasota Police Department. How are you
Bro, f you, bro.
I'm here with Sophia, and we are downtown
Give it to me.
Sarasota.
Give it to me.
And she's going to be going to jail for a
Give it to
DUI.
me. Give it
She's
to
wondering
me.
if you can come pick up her car for her.
Oh my God. Give it to me.
After one wild night of bad decisions, it was over. The flirting, the chaos, the dramatics, none of it worked. Sophia was booked into Sarasota County Jail, charged with DUI. Charm doesn't sweet-talk you out of handcuffs? Sarasota PD, 1. Sophia, 0. Drop a comment. What was the most unhinged moment? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. New content every week. See you in the next one.